The vertical and horizontal scroll bars are used for moving around a document. For example, on the right hand side of your screen, you can see the vertical scroll bar. If I was to hit the plus in the bottom right corner of my screen, I'll increase the magnification of the document, which will eventually give me a horizontal scroll bar. The purpose of the horizontal scroll bar is to drag back and forth and see the left and right edges of my document. If I press the minus, I can take my document back to 100%. To effectively show you the vertical scroll bar, we're going to insert some page breaks. At the moment, when I look in the bottom left of my screen, I can see that this document is one page. If I press the key combination, Control Enter, I have inserted a page break, and now I'm on page 2 in my document. I'm going to press Control Enter until I end up with 5 pages. Control Enter gives me a 3rd page, Control Enter gives me a 4th page, and Control Enter finally gives me a 5th page. To move up and down my pages, on my vertical scroll bar I have a button with 2 up triangles. This is called the Previous Page button. Notice also Control Page Up is the shortcut key to move up a page. Each time I click this button, I move up to page 4. If I click it again, I move up to page 3. And if I click it again, I'll eventually move up to page 1. And this is shown in the bottom left of my screen. The button at the bottom of the vertical scroll bar is called Next Page, and notice the shortcut key is Control Page Down. If I click this button, I will eventually move down through the pages until I can move down no further because I'm on page 5. Another way to move up and down a document, perhaps in a faster way than moving by page, is to use the elevator box. The elevator box appears on the vertical scroll bar, and as I drag up, it is taking me up through the pages, just like an elevator. So the vertical scroll bar is very handy for moving up and down through the pages in your document.